Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can we edit a PDF file online. So basically we are going to use an online tool, and using that we are going to edit an already created PDF file. So this is a PDF file that has just one sentence in it. I want to add maybe some more sentences to it. So let's see how can we edit it. So for that you need to go to your favorite browser and type in this link, that is sejda.com/pdf-editor. This Sejda is an online tool that allows us to work with the PDF files. So here we need to upload the PDF file. So let's just click on the green button and upload the PDF file we want to edit. So once you do that, you will see that this PDF file is now available for you. If you want, you can just add new text. If you want, you can just get rid of the old text, or if you want, you can modify the existing text as well. So instead of sample, let's say I do it as simple. This is a simple Word file, and that's it. I click on apply changes. So this would take a few seconds and I would be able to download this file. So I can just simply click on the download button and I'm able to download this file. If I just take a preview of it, so you can see that the text has been edited. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.